Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Niro gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side floor or dashboard. Press this button firmly to unlatch the fuel door. Once unlatched, gently push the fuel door itself to fully open it, revealing the gas cap. It's a simple process once you know where to look. After opening the fuel door, you'll see the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and can be removed. Many Kia Niro models have a small holder on the fuel door to secure the cap while you refuel, preventing it from dangling. Once the cap is safely stored, you can insert the fuel nozzle and start filling your tank. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially on longer drives. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It keeps your drinks perfectly cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Sometimes the fuel door might not open immediately. Check for any ice or debris around the door's edges, especially in colder weather, which can cause it to stick. Also, ensure your Kia Niro is fully unlocked, as the fuel door release button may not activate if the car is locked. For any persistent issues, your owner's manual offers model-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.